Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have given 2 plus 4 equal 18, 2 plus 5 equal 27, 2 plus 6 equal 38, 1 plus 3 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you have found and watch my solution in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to this resolution. 2 plus 4 equal 18. How? 2 plus, if I'll do square of 4, so it becomes 2 plus 4 square is 16 and 2 plus 16 is 18. Similarly, 2 plus 5 square is 25 and 2 plus 25 is 27. Now 2 plus 6 square is 36. So 2 plus 36 is 38. So as per this sequence, what is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 square is 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So what replaces the question mark? 10. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.